My wife.
My mama now.
Oh, now my mama, because if she no born me, I don't go meet the babe now.
Of course, my wife, because the Bible says two shall become one.
God say a man shall leave, my man will leave his husband, in father and mother, and they join to his wife.
I'm supposed to love my wife anyway, but mother now, still mother now, till tomorrow, you understand? So I still choose mother.
Yes, well, welcome back. Nancy Bobozian, we did, and the matter we talk about today, Nancy, who you suppose love past inside your partner or your mother. There's one thing I want to say. If you dey talk, say, I believe say you suppose love your wife more. I not talk say desert your mother, but you need to love your wife more because one thing. Take for instance, if you are ill, you dey hospital. Before your mama go come out for where she dey, come meet you for here. Your wife don't do so many things for you.
What of if?
Aside that again,
if your,
when
if
you
your,
have
if
issues,
your wife dey America and in Nigeria you dey, and your mom see dey Nigeria.
that's a different
I'm
scenario.
just saying.
That's a different
Anybody
scenario.
can help anybody.
That's a different scenario.
Let me give you this
but you need to
now.
understand that
Let me
once
give
you
you this
leave
picture
your
now.
mother and your
Watch.
father and cling to that woman becomes
Do
your
you
first
know?
priority.
Do you know that Shakara?
Watch,
Sorry,
let me-
if I forget. Do you know if you don't love your mother very well, you don't go know how to love your wife?
Yes, of course.
understand
Of course, you can
this,
love your mom
that's
very well. Even the mothers, they even advise you to love your wife.
Pass
Well,
them.
because what? When you marry, you go see your mom, your own mom go dey tell you, say, take care of your wife, love her, you understand? She know they say, love me, you don't marry, don't forget me.
You don't know why
You
most
understand?
mothers they tell you that thing.
You understand? Even
know why
the
they tell you all
mother of
those
the girl, even the mother of the girl, they go tell the girl, say, take care of your husband.
You know why?
You understand?
You know why?
They remind.
You know why?
Why?
The money they come from the husband. So if you don't advise very well, you know they give you money. So you go to advise.
Yeah, look how they tell say take care of your husband.
Before,
The man look how they say take care of your wife.
because the wife will go tell the husband.
Some go say, my daughter.
My mother told me to take care of you very well though. So the
What
man
of
go
the
dey happy
ones?
to want
What
you
of the ones
give.
if you say the day when the girl they go, they tell say this is my daughter. She's everything I have.
You know why mother
Please
dey-
take care of
You know
her.
why mother's love play
Please
a
take
very
care of her.
vital role because Amu go come now. Now mother go see come there. Now mother go see impact on
Omugo.
Omugo.
I don't know say Omugo, you don't call that.
Omugo. Whatever they call it, you understand? But when the mother still comes again now, to still come help the newborn baby, still come help your daughter, still come help you. So I don't know how you want to see them. I'm not saying you don't go love your wife, but most times marriage is a breakup. But your mother and that mother thing can never break up.
But there's
Can
one thing.
never-
There's one thing I need you to know. If you are going into marriage and you get that mind, say, as I dey marry this babe, let's say you transfer the same love wey you get for your mama, you transfer am enter your marriage, but you need to double am because this is now your flesh, your bone, your partner, your key. As in the main person wey dey with you now. You sleep, you wake up, it is your wife. You do everything, it is your wife.
Okay,
Your mother
listen
can
to
no
this
longer
now.
be there.
Listen
Because
to
your
this
mother
now.
dey understand say that time when she take dey there, they take care of you, don't pass. Now the babe left chance now.
If
to
my
come
mother be not take care of me well, and if my
now.
mother be not instill all the good discipline, that my wife no go see all those things.
Now this is what it is, yeah. This is what it is. Listen. Now you get your mother. You know say this now who you love. This love day. You know they go transfer, you know they run, you know they break up.
You know they
It dey there.
change.
But this woman, this is new. I need to do everything.
How is
You
it
understand?
new?
This is my wife.
Get where you don't dey crack before you marry.
Your man,
mother
your
has
mother has been there from day one.
Even the
one.
girl too,
You understand?
the girl too, you have been cracking ass.
No, you know
I mean,
Now when
you
they born you, that begin
know
crack
fit
am.
use your mama compare
You don't be like
your
say,
babe.
you don't know say.
But I
you
want
don't
to
be
ask you a question,
What,
please,
what,
Shakara.
what,
Hold on a
what?
second, please. How you want take tell me say your somebody where you don't know, like now, as we don't know ourselves now, for like maybe 15 years, then someone just come tomorrow. You won't compare the amount of friendship
Okay, let
and
me give
bond
you another
with a
illustration.
new person.
Let me give you another
You can't compare.
Let me give you another illustration.
can't compare.
Listen,
No use.
farmer, those people that like bird farm,
Yeah.
egg and the rest. You go, is it cultivating now when you go carry the eggs them now? Now this ones don't go keep them. For us, this one's save. you can't go. You know, say those ones now your own, they don't save, they're nothing they break their day. Now this fresh one where you go carry now, they go. You guys guide them very well, jealously, hold them very well, make nothing happen to them until you sure say that one self don't they
You know why you talk like this?
That love. Because you know if you go to guide those ones so you don't keep.
You know why you talk like this, eh? If you come from like that, my friend, we come from a family where we say Popsy died when he was 1 year old. Then now your mother raised 7 boys. All of you now, you carry una through school, you understand? Pay everything, you understand? There's no amount of your wife.
If you want to talk of things where mothers don't do for people, this your example. This your example is small. If you know things where mothers don't sacrifice. See,
that's why they sing sweet mother. I don't go forget you.
Yes, now.
For this suffer where you suffer for me.
But Showman, I put it on now.
Girl, they 200 level. Got to drop out from school to take care of her child. Do you understand?
Do you know that?
So you want me to say now?
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why.
Well, listen, that pikin now go grow now, come marry. Because say, baby.
You know why? No. Let me tell you why I don't fear ever. I'm not saying I can love my wife the same way I will love my mother.
No, you must love your wife.
Me.
Very,
but
let
me tell you why. Because most times, a mother's love for you is unconditional. But your wife, either they love you because Shakara and a big comedian.
No, don't marry.
No,
they love you.
I'm just saying.
Change this thing when you always talk
persons
like
go marry you because of who you are.
No.
But they say bad pikin. Now, mama still love him. No matter how you bad reach, your mother still love you. But check out, the day when you bad, your wife will begin to complain.
Do you know how many parents we have that are not proud of their children because they are not successful?
And do you know how many mothers you have that are very selfish? Let's even go to that point.
They are not successful.
How many mothers are very selfish?
Three of us here. I am the only one now, where we tell you, say, okay, if I marry you, understand, I can always say, okay, I look at my wife and love her because my mom is late. But if she was alive, you understand, I can't forget all she has gone through. I compare you. I can't meet my father there. My father don't even near the love of my wife.
You see my mama,
no, but my mother,
I love my mother with everything.
Yo, we know now. This one mother, they buy her shoe till today. Everything.
So this one now, you know me say when I marry. Make I can't say because I love my mama pieces. Make I not can't love my wife past. I will love my wife because my wife.
You will love your wife.
My wife will now be the person that will be there.
And they suspect you. Say, if you marry, say this your mama love and you.
This one will be
you know set it tomorrow now. My mama now they tell me say, dude, it is high time you get married.
Not be the high time you get married.
But you know your love for your mother is this one.
Who love on be like boyfriend and girlfriend.
Your love for your mother is like boyfriend and girlfriend.
This your strong baby. They buy you shoe. They buy you slippers. They buy you pints.
Everything.
Mama they buy me pints.
You know, why that trip when you come out there, nobody you.
The cheap one they go.
Where they buy you? Where they be those shirts? Where get where they play? Where that polo by
that baseball.
Where one man
rugby.
This is your opinion.
When you wear the shirt, so take the man fall from the
house. This is your opinion.
My mom.
My mother.
Both of them. Why should you love one and leave one? I go love my husband. Pass. Because now my flesh be that.
I think my partner, Sha.
I love them both equally.
Love varies. The love we I go get for my mama go pass the one we I go get for my partner.
My mama now. My mama, but the love is different. That's the truth. The love is different. Fine, we did with our parents all through the years now. So when we get married, I mean, it's like now you and your partner, so you're supposed to love each other. It's like your parents should be there. I mean, make them stay.
The boats. I know like now my mama I go love pastor because if no be my mama, my husband no fit see me.
My my husband. Yes, mama don't do I don't love and reach. It's not I say I don't go love him again, but you just gotta reduce now. Okay, I don't start family and all. So
And so Bible talk and say, now my husband and my Lord, I say now we become one. But I still love my mama. Not be say I don't love my mama and my papa.
Like really, una don't see everything where our women them got talk. See, no be say you no love your mama. It just be say that love what you get for the woman where you marry go supersede the one we get for your mama. Your mama
I don't like this to go.
Your mother has been there.
Wait, this thing where would they talk so say your love for wife go past my own. Do you know it's unconsciously or unknowingly to you?
You don't know.
Yes. I tell you, not like you wake up say okay, I don't marry. So my love for my wife.
Let me tell you.
You don't go know. You could let me do things go one side.
There are people.
But you don't know.
There are people. He gets some even some wives where you go marry. We go clearly tell you say they no fit do without their mother. Their mother must come live with them. Some men they too. We go tell you say man, my mom must live with me. This love, these two people, your wife and your mother, the love they different. You can divorce your wife. You can never divorce your mother. No matter how much you say you want to stop and reach, one day you're going to say, man, your mom sin and mom sin. The love is different. This one, they only come in because of cranking. They make her say, they give you pick everything.
Are you aware of the people that have parted ways with their parents because of witchcraft and the rest?
But no matter what, even the Bible will tell you that diplomacy go use because you don't go day well with you. You still have to find a way to come around to your mother.
What do you now do when you have a selfish mother? What do you now do?
I don't know whether now what
you must say they're very selfish.
If God say you love your enemies, then who you be when you don't love your own mother?
Meanwhile, fire too much today on a lighter mood. You know I watch one home video where one guy go kill him mama for village, use do money. He come buy bread, come put the juju, the thing inside the bread. They save the man, eat them. After 24, before 24 hours. But if she don't eat her before 24 hours, he go crazy. So he can't give her man eat bread. He go man keep the bread. He can't look like 5 hours ago. Mama, you never chop your bread. Mama go do teacup. He do teacup. The mama you be like, you go need butter, you buy. If you do, mama, I go chop bread. Keep her 2 hours to go. Mama eat this bread now. You know say bread. 30 minutes to go. Mama eat this bread. If you cost 5 minutes to go. Oh my God, eat this bread. Like 2 minutes ago, then he called the bread. One for that, do mama, leave me. Now when they drag, next time up, that's what the guy crazy.
Those are wicked people, you understand?
I don't get time. My time don't finish. Show Shakara. How you go take to him? You go balance him.
Like I talk before I crack this joke. The thing person who they know. When you don't love your wife past your mother, you don't even know. So you can't they very conscious of the mathematics of loving your mother. You can't they very mechanical for your marriage and your family. So just do your thing, man.
Choma, my advice be say, no matter how much you want to love your mother, which that one, the love is different. No ever let the love for your mother, they control your marriage, what you want to do. And never let your wife also they control, you understand, what you want to give your own mother. You must know how to...
We should listen to our wives now.
No. Who said me?
No, that's what...
you must listen to your wife.
No, but they are saying your wife...
You want to get married and not listen to your wife.
If your wife tell you, say, if your wife tell you, say, may you not give your mom some money.
No, why would she say so?
No, why?
Now, so you go balance them. You go balance them.
No.
Even at that point, you go
my wife say, okay,
is it true?
Maybe because I give her today and we need to pay school fees, we need to do something. You have to listen to her.
What it make you a man, you got to stand.
Not be stand. You got to stand.
Listen to nobody.
I give you example.
Listen to nobody.
Next week, we say good night.
You know school fees, so you the same money again.
No way.
Stop, make you no cry again, no. When I want sleep, my mother go pet me. She go lie me well for bed, oh. She cover me clouds, say make you sleep, my pikin, no.
Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.